What's up, everybody? Miss Lawrence here with Miss Lawrence's Laboratory. We have another episode today with learning lessons and lots of laughter. Today, we are going to make things explode. I cannot wait. I hope you're ready. So today I actually have 3 experiments for you guys. You are going to see 3 different things explode and react. The first one is called exploding baggies. It's really simple and it's really cool. So let's get started. So for this experiment, you only need 4 items. You need toilet paper, a plastic bag, baking soda, and white vinegar. These are the only things you need to make this successful and to see your baggies explode. So here's how this experiment works. All you need to do is pour some vinegar into the bottom of your Ziploc baggie. Then take some baking soda and put it into about 2 pieces of toilet paper. Wrap it up into a little rectangular blanket. Then quickly throw it into your bag of vinegar. Close it quick, shake it up, and then you'll see what happens. Here we go. Okay. Throwing it into our little open area here. If I can. Okay, come on. Okay. All right, I'm gonna shake it up a little bit. Oh, you see, there's bubbles that are creating in here. The bag is getting bigger. I don't know what's gonna happen. So what just happened is the vinegar and the baking soda just created an acid-base reaction. The 2 chemicals mixed together made carbon dioxide gas. But gas needs a lot of space, and so when trapped inside this bag, all it did was expanded until it could not fill the bag any longer, and it went pop. So this next experiment is called film canister rockets. You're gonna see these film canisters blast off, and all you need is 3 things. You need water, Alka-Seltzer, and a film canister. And if you don't know what this film canister is, just ask your parents. So all you need to do is take about a teaspoon of water, add it into your film canister, then you need to break in half your Alka-Seltzer tablet, put it in here, close the canister, flip it over, and watch it blast off. It happens so quickly, so do not miss it. All right, so I have my tablet broken up in half here. I'm gonna drop it into here, close it, flip it over, and we're gonna see what happens. Ready for this? So this experiment was very similar to the last one because the water and the Alka-Seltzer created that same carbon dioxide gas. And that carbon dioxide gas was creating pressure inside of the film canister until it couldn't take it anymore, and the cap blasted down and the canister went up. So for our final experiment, we are going to explode a, drumroll please, a watermelon. That's right, we're gonna explode a watermelon using only the pressure of a bunch of rubber bands. Are you ready for this? Are you ready? Okay, so here I have 700 rubber bands. Yes, you heard that right. 700 rubber bands. Now what I want you to do is I want you to guess how many rubber bands it's going to take to explode this watermelon. Guess right now, and at the end, we'll see if you were right. So as you can see, I started putting rubber bands in the middle of my watermelon. I want all of the rubber bands to be in the same spot so the pressure forms in that same location to help us explode our watermelon. There's some cracking at the top. Little crack down the middle. It's getting bigger and bigger. Oh no. Oh no. guys, that was the coolest, craziest thing. Literally, look at the watermelon. This is the watermelon after, and what's cooler is the rubber band ball. It literally turned into a ball of rubber bands from closing after coming off of the watermelon. I'm in shock. So what just happened there is the rubber bands applied force to the outside of the watermelon, and the pressure from the rubber bands on the outside increased the pressure on the inside until it split. So all three of those experiments were a result of some sort of pressure. The pressure inside the Ziploc bag, the pressure inside the canister, and the pressure from the rubber bands inside the watermelon. That was so exciting. I had a great time. I hope you did too. And if you did, make sure you tune in next week to Miss Lawrence's Laboratory for another episode of learning lessons and lots of laughter. Bye, guys. Got a watermelon on my head. Got a watermelon on my head. Got a watermelon on my head. Oh, 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 oh.